As a seasoned partner in the RV and trailer manufacturing industry, Kwixand Solutions has the privilege of understanding the unique challenges you face, opening the door to more strategic solutions that address your exact needs. Working with a team that not only has experience in your industry, but a deep appreciation of the specific challenges you face, and a dedication to developing solutions that fit your needs, means you are working with a partner that truly cares about your goals and knows how to help you reach them. For RV and trailer manufacturers, that means solving inventory management issues, creating custom solutions for complex production processes, ensuring your data is accurate and traceable, and helping you maintain regulatory compliance. By implementing specialized solutions, from custom product configuration and dynamic sales line rules, to automated serialization and tracking, and in-depth auditing and compliance review, you can streamline production and gain valuable insights into your inventory workflows and strategies to help you make the right choices and attain tangible results. Your success is our priority. Let our expertise guide you to the right solution to achieve your goals.